Hello everyone, welcome back to Day Aviation again. Today I have a wonderful flight that I would like you guys to reveal, which is my first flight for domestic flight within Japan. But however, I gonna fly with All Nippon Airways again. I don't know what is this time, but this flight would be my first flight for something again, which is I gonna fly first time with Boeing 737-700. And the first time that I've said is my first domestic flight within Japan. So this flight not that long, not even 1 hour, because from Kansai International Airport in Osaka to Tokyo Haneda International Airport in Japan, in Tokyo, is quite short. So I didn't have much time to film the videos, but however, is very good flight, even domestic flight. Also, like in this flight, you only have the seat and the drink that the flight attendant would serve you is only um, their what's that called, their tea. And also, it's not Boeing 737 actually. It's Boeing 737-800. Haha. I'm sorry, guys. And the flight, very incredible because I realized that we arrived at Tokyo Haneda Airport when I've already when already landed, because the flight was very smooth. And the reason that I was flying to Tokyo Haneda because I would like to connect the flight to Bangkok, which you guys can click the I button from the right side to see another flight with 787-9 from Tokyo Haneda to Bangkok. But now, enjoy the flight. Please like and share, leave the comment below, and thank you so much for watching these videos.
爆了啊！
啊，
皮呀，
嗯，
做个有爆都松响了。